Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block and report on elite singles. So first of all, go to your profile. Navigate to the profile of the user that you want to block or report. Look for an icon, usually 3 dots or gear on the profile screen. Choose the option to either block or report the user. You may need to provide a reason for reporting. Follow the prompts to confirm your action. By blocking and reporting inappropriate users, you help maintain a safer dating environment. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.